Hi guys, today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the blades on a Dewalt DW735 planer. It's actually pretty quick and easy. We went ahead and we got our new blades. These are reversible, so you can use them more than once. So what we're first going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the cover off. Your planer should come with this tool, and all you have to do is the 4 screws that are on the top. You just go ahead and use your tool and take it off. Now that all the screws are loosened up, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to take the lid and you're going to pull it completely off. And go ahead and set it aside. Alright, this is what the inside looks like. If you see these 3 red little screws, you're going to go ahead and you're actually going to take them off and it'll remove your chest cover. Now that those off, you're just going to go ahead and take the tail cover and you lift it off. And you're gonna lift it up, and then you're just gonna wiggle it off. All right. Now, if you see this strip right here, it has a whole bunch of the screws that matches your tools. These are the blades. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take each one of these screws off to pull out the blade. Please be careful, your blades can still be sharp if you don't wanna cut yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna take our tool. We're going to put it in here and we're going to just start taking these screws off. Alright, so that's your blade cover right there. That's your blades. Like I said, as you can see, there's 2 sides, so these are reversible. So now that we got the first one off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open our new blades. Our new blade, and we're just going to go ahead and line it up with our sections. Now we're going to go ahead . Alright, so now that we got the blades all changed up and the screws all tightened in, we're going to go ahead and put the dust cover back on. You're going to have to, there is a spot that says close and open on here. You're going to have to line the open part with the slit. Go in there, and then you're going to tilt it down to lock in place. Then you're going to take those red screws again, and you're going to put them in the 3 spots. Go ahead and take your cover, and you're just going to line it back up. Oops. Oops. And take your tool, and then you're just going to go ahead and tighten the screws back up again. There you have it.